Welcome back. We've covered air and blood, but your body needs another kind of fuel. Food. How does this apple become the energy to think, run, and laugh? It's a wild 9-meter long journey through your digestive system, and we're mapping it out today. This is a map about the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. This is a simple linear diagram, a mouth to the esophagus, to the stomach, to the small intestine, and finally the large intestine. This journey is a one-way street. It starts the moment you take a bite in your mouth. Your teeth grind the food, mechanic, ally, while enzymes in your saliva, like amylase, start chemically breaking down carbohydrates. You then swallow and the food slides down a muscular tube called the esophagus. Waves of muscle contractions called peristalsis push it down into your stomach. Here is a prop demo. This is a piece of bread and there's some water in this. And here is a plastic wrap which I'm going to use as a seal, right? This is like a chemical bath. Let's simulate it. So those are the foods, the bread in the jar, a bit of water, and your stomach adds water and very strong acids to help break it down. Suppose I churn it now and seal the jar and shake it vigorously. It will create a gross looking mixture, and after an hour or two in here, your sandwich is now kind of like a soupy liquid called chyme. It's definitely not pretty, but very useful. This liquid chyme then gets released into the small intestine. This is where most of the action happens. The inside is covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi that soak up nutrients into your bloodstream. But there's a whole other world in your large intestine. Your gut microbiome, this is a universe of trillions of bacteria. For a long time, we thought they were just along for the ride, but primary research has completely changed that view. This is a visual graphic of the gut with magnified good and bad bacteria. A huge review of studies in the journal Nature showed that these bacteria are essential partners. They help digest fiber, produce vitamins, and even train our immune system. The balance of your gut microbiome is now linked to everything from digestion to mood, showing us that health is about more than just our own human cells, according to Yourcell LK, and much more in the gut biome of nature. This really helps explain conditions like lactose intolerance. It's not an allergy, it's a shortage of the lactase enzyme needed to break down milk sugar. When undigested lactose reaches your large intestine, those gut bacteria feast on it, producing gas and discomfort. It's a perfect example of a breakdown in the digestive process. The big picture of fuel, doctor. This whole process isn't fast. It can take 24 to 72 hours, and the energy you get is vital. Your brain alone uses about 20% of your daily calories. That's why eating a balanced diet fuels your entire operation, especially your brain, according to Harvard Medical School. Time for a quiz. Question 1. Where does the majority of nutrient absorption occur? A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, or C. Large intestine? Answer B, small intestine. Question 2, true or false? The gut microbiome is just a bunch of germs we should get rid of. Answer false. They are essential partners in our health. So, we've taken fuel, but what protects this amazing system from the germs we encounter? Next time we meet the body's incredible defense force, the immune system. I'll see you next episode.